never teach on it. You never teach on it. You never teach on it. I want you go to teach on it. You never teach on it. You never teach on it. You never teach on it. I want you go to teach on it. You never teach on it. I didn't hear your life on it. You tell me say I want on it. I DJ make you like on it. I was Gunty Chanty, Gunty as get G6 Chanty, and when you get G6 Chanty, they make me want to touch Chanty. Everybody coming out. If I buy bad stuff, when I get it's a boy. Go to the faggot cabo. Hey, if you like it, what? Hey, the go to the faggot. When I you never teach Chanty, you never teach Chanty. You never teach church. I want me go see church. Thank you. You never teach church. You never teach church. You never teach church. I want me you go see church.
Neru, now this kind stupid song.
I bet you go see church. Hello, you go see church. Bimbo, you go see church. Alafuna go see church. Kuzintim boogie, go see church. Easy beat, you go see church. Anyway, good evening and welcome on Sunday Night Show for today. Will be the 12th of March 2015. My name is 12 now. 12.
No, no. You know, Neru.
That is how we roll.
Like egg roll.
You never teach us.
They are very.
Anyway, now welcome on Sunday Night Show for today. My name is Nadedu Noskoff. Katim, you know, sexy, delectable, tomato.
They never teach us.
Before we start today's show, we have somebody in the studio.
Yeah.
This person will get from inside studio.
Nah, that's what you they call encyclopedia.
No, leave him. Anyway, eat something. Eat start
No.
Then end them. Leave him. Don't wound yourself.
Okay.
Don't wound yourself. Don't wound them. This guy, what they be? Kosoro.
Abantu ngwere say wetesen ke ataka mu from where robo amaje medical from where diki code with afere me for yemme afere everything for yemme so that can where I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, no, I understand. I understand everything you just said now. I understand.
Where Enclyclo,
that thing.
Oh, Neru, you are darling anyway.
Enclyclo. I'm a mia. I know it. Not be Enclyclo. Now, you don't know Enclyclo.
I know I'm not.
You never teach us. No. Anyway.
Hashtag.
You never teach us. We get our better guest for inside the studio. Mr. Ben Ogbeiwi.
Okay. Hang on a minute. Are we in the right studio?
Yeah.
Is that the answer to the question? I thought it was...
Receive!
Dad, forget about it.
Now
you're on the show. Forget about it. I want you.
I don't hear. How is things?
Not bad.
You are welcome. This you are jello shade. Oh, my brother. And I can feel you go with our color of the television show.
No.
As they never teach on thing. So
before we start show, you get one gist why I say all of us go follow this course now for like 2 minutes. For inside China, those people they sing over Lavanto to leave.
Why everything they happen inside that China?
You don't understand.
Everything now and bad.
One man they carry his wife go court. Una go wonder whether a catching wife they cheat on them with
or
another
the
man.
wife thief him money.
Or the wife thief him money. No, the story is different. Why the man they carry wife go court? Now because of say
never tell us now.
Never me talk
the wife born ugly children for the man.
But why would they laugh now? If you born ugly person for your family must
be ugly. I show them the picture, make them see him. The wife born ugly children. The man a fine man. The wife na fine woman. When they come born, see the children.
But they resemble the man now.
See the man, a handsome man.
See the wife is, he be like, oh.
No, but they resemble the man now.
See the girl. See the one when they come
No,
for
see
her.
the baby resemble.
All of them knows me like a dot.
This one no be ugly. Lady, if you see ugly children. No, this one they still fine.
The man.
Which kind of selfie be this?
I don't.
No,
the
na
man,
self-portrait.
the man carry them go. You can't one carry the wife go court. I will wonder how they go take do am. My lord, this exhibit here. It's a production of my wife. My lord.
And me.
When we were cutting, my lord, I didn't know that she was going to give me this. My lord. Now, come they say, if they carry the woman go court now, waiting go come happen to Tayata with mother. Now, they say Tayata with mother, don't they prison be that? I beg, more gonna show, hey, see Tayata.
No, they Photoshop. No, they do they Photoshop.
See Tayata.
No. Okay. That Taiwo, him brother na Christian Bell.
Eh, little Christian Bell, if I pass now.
No, na him brother.
Tayata. Now, be say Tayata, mama, go down there prison.
Nothing in face.
Oh, Shagu, I didn't say.
No, nothing do.
You don't see, you never cheat on you.
No, it be like now waiting in the talk with that.
Never cheat on you.
Now, be say Shagu, I didn't say, mama.
This na Insuru the picture.
Now, be say Shagu, I didn't say, mama, go down there prison be that.
No, if I now. Past before.
For that place, it be like Tupac.
It be like Tupac.
Now that one where they say, Apollo eye.
It not be over. It never teach us.
He never teach us.
Anyway, we go back small chicken break for you. We go come back. No. One do you never teach on audition. Because I say we get Oga Ben Ogbeiwi. Where una they see for MTN project fair.
Nothing do them. You see me go be our
It's going to be the host of the show.
The host for the show.
Come and take mic, easy beat. Come and take mic.
Busy.
You never teach on. We never come.
You never teach on. You never teach on. I want you go to teach on. You never teach on. You never teach on. You never teach on. Where you go to teach on. You never teach on. I didn't hear you for